Good morning, everyone. Today, we're diving into a crucial yet often overlooked component of natural language processing, part of speech tagging, or POS tagging. While it might sound technical, understanding POS tagging is fundamental to appreciating how computers make sense of human language. It's the silent workhorse behind many of the NLP applications we use daily, from search engines to virtual assistants. We'll explore what it is, why it's so important for various downstream NLP tasks, and how it continues to evolve. Think of it as teaching a computer the basic grammar rules of a language, a critical first step for any deeper linguistic analysis. This deep dive will illustrate why POS tagging is truly a foundational element in building intelligent language systems. So, what exactly is part of speech tagging? Simply put, it's the process of assigning a grammatical category, or part of speech, to each word in a given text. This means identifying if a word is a noun, a verb, an adjective, an adverb, a pronoun, a preposition, and so on. For instance, in the sentence, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog," a POS tagger would identify "the" as a determiner, quick and brown as adjectives, fox as a noun, jumps as a verb, and so forth. This assignment isn't just arbitrary, it's based on the word's definition and its context within the sentence. It transforms a simple sequence of words into a structured sequence of words with grammatical labels, making it much easier for computers to process and understand. You might wonder, why bother with this seemingly basic step? The answer lies in its foundational importance. POS tagging is one of the very first stages in almost any sophisticated NLP pipeline. Without it, computers struggle with the inherent ambiguity of human language. By correctly identifying parts of speech, we enable machines to resolve ambiguities, infer meanings, and understand sentence structures. It acts as a critical feature engineering step, providing rich grammatical context to subsequent, more complex machine learning models. Essentially, it's like teaching a child to recognize different types of words before they can construct grammatically correct sentences or comprehend complex texts. It significantly improves the performance of many downstream NLP tasks. One of the most challenging aspects of natural language is ambiguity. Many words have multiple meanings and can function as different parts of speech depending on the context. Consider the word read. It can be a verb, as in, "I will read a book," or a noun, as in, "he enjoys a good read." Without POS tagging, a computer sees read as just read. But with POS information, it can distinguish between read verb and read noun based on the surrounding words. Similarly, bank can refer to a riverbank, noun, or a financial institution, noun. POS tagging uses contextual clues to assign the correct tag, making a profound difference in how systems interpret meaning and reducing errors in comprehension. Beyond individual word meanings, POS tagging is indispensable for understanding the structure of entire sentences. Syntactic parsing, which involves breaking down sentences into their constituent phrases and identifying grammatical relationships, heavily relies on accurate POS tags. If a parser knows that cat is a noun and slept is a verb, it can correctly identify cat as the subject and slept as the predicate. This capability is vital for grammar checking tools, allowing them to detect errors like subject-verb agreement issues. It forms the backbone for building robust sentence structures, which is critical for generating natural-sounding language and for advanced text analysis, where understanding the complete grammatical framework is paramount. Machine translation is another domain where POS tagging plays a vital role. When translating a sentence from one language to another, merely replacing words isn't enough. The grammatical structure must also be preserved or appropriately transformed. Different languages have different word orders and grammatical rules. By knowing the part of speech of each word, translation systems can maintain the grammatical integrity of the sentence and ensure that the translated text is not only semantically correct, but also grammatically natural. For instance, if a noun-adjective order in English needs to be reversed to adjective-noun in the target language, POS tags provide the necessary information to perform this transformation accurately, significantly improving translation accuracy. For systems designed to extract specific information or answer questions, POS tagging is an unsung hero. In information extraction, POS tags help identify and categorize entities, like knowing that apple is a proper noun, referring to a company, not a fruit. This is critical for named entity recognition, NER. It also aids in identifying relationships between entities by understanding the verbs and prepositions connecting them. For question answering systems, knowing the part of speech of interrogative words like who, a noun referring to a person, or what, often an object, helps in formulating precise searches and extracting relevant answers. It essentially transforms unstructured text into structured data for smart system consumption. POS tagging also brings crucial nuance to sentiment analysis and text summarization. In sentiment analysis, knowing that a word is an adjective or an adverb helps systems focus on the words that truly convey opinion and emotion. For example, exceptionally good carries more weight than just good. It refines sentiment scores by prioritizing these opinionated words. For text summarization, POS tags help identify the most important nouns and verbs, which typically represent the core subjects and actions of a text. This allows summarization algorithms to extract the most salient sentences or phrases, creating concise and accurate summaries without losing the main ideas. It moves beyond superficial word counting to a deeper understanding of textual content. The methods for POS tagging have evolved significantly. Early approaches were rule-based, using handcrafted linguistic rules. These were later superseded by statistical models like Hidden Markov Models, HMMs, and Conditional Random Fields, CRFs, which learned patterns from large labeled datasets. Today, deep learning approaches, particularly recurrent neural networks and transformers, achieve state-of-the-art accuracy, often integrating POS tagging as a subtask within larger language models. However, challenges persist. Out-of-vocabulary words, domain-specific language like medical or legal jargon, and highly ambiguous words continue to pose difficulties. Even with advanced models, ambiguity remains a core challenge, requiring ongoing research and development to improve accuracy and robustness across diverse textual inputs. In conclusion, part of speech tagging, while seemingly a basic step, is an incredibly powerful and indispensable tool in the world of NLP. Its role as a foundational layer for understanding language means it will continue to be relevant and evolve. As AI systems become more sophisticated, POS tagging will integrate even more seamlessly into end-to-end learning models, becoming an implicit rather than an explicit step. The drive for more robust, accurate, and context-aware models ensures that research and development in this area will continue, leading to further improvements. It remains a cornerstone for building truly intelligent systems that can engage with and comprehend human language with increasing accuracy and nuance, paving the way for advanced AI applications.